Students, now listen, we are going to continue with this chapter, Goodwill in Partnership Accounts. Under that, today we are going to study weighted average profit method. Okay. In the previous class, we learned the simple average profit method. This class, we are going to study weighted average profit method. So, the formula for goodwill, you see, weighted average profit into number of years purchase. You got me, students? Once again, I repeat, weighted average profit into number of years purchase you want to take. Now, how to arrive at this weighted average profit? You have to note down these points. First, profits for each year will be given in the question. Okay, you have to assign weights. Weights will be assigned as well in the question. You got me, students? அப்போது ப்ராஃபிட்டும் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, அதுக்குரிய வெயிட்ஸும் கொஸ்டினில் வந்து கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. இப்போ வெயிட்டட் ப்ராஃபிட் வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த ப்ராஃபிட் ஃபார் தட் இயர் இன்டூ தட் வெயிட், அவங்க எவ்வளோ வெயிட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அந்த வெயிட்டையும் அந்த இயர் ப்ராஃபிட்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னா வெயிட்டட் ப்ராஃபிட் கிடைக்கும். யூ காட் மீ, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்? அப்போ வெயிட்டட் ஆவரேஜ் ப்ராஃபிட் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த வெயிட் நம்ம ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 5 இயர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா அந்த 5 இயர்ஸோட வெயிட்டட் ப்ராஃபிட்டை நம்ம டோட்டல் பண்ணணும். அட் த சேம் டைம் வெயிட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களே அந்த வெயிட்ஸையும் நம்ம டோட்டல் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ அது ரெண்டையும் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணோம்னா we will get weighted average profit. You got me, students? Total of weighted profit divided by total of weight will give you weighted average profit. Then you have to apply this weighted average profit in the formula. The number of years purchase will be given and then you have to find the goodwill. Hope you understood this sum. Students, here is exercise 6 for you. The question goes like this: find the value of goodwill at 3 years purchase of weighted average profit of last 4 years. You got me, students? So year is given, profit is given and the weights are also given, you see. So 2015, 2016, 17, 18. So 4 years profit is given and the weights is given. Okay. Now we want to find out goodwill by using weighted average profit method. Let us proceed with the sum. Students, now listen. Students, listen. Exercise 6 solution. You want to write the heading like this: calculation of weighted average profit, and you want to prepare one chart like this. Okay. First column year, second column profit is denoted by A, next third column weights denoted by B, fourth column is your weighted profit. So now you are going to proceed with the sum. After making the chart like this, you have to start writing. Okay, so now you want to find out weighted profit. So for that, profit into weight, you will get a weighted profit. So you get here 10,000 rupees. Next is that 24,000. Next is that 48,000. Next is that 72,000. You got me, students? Okay, now you want to total the weights. So how much you get here? You get here 10. When you total this weighted profit, you will get here 1,54,000. You got me, students? Now we want to apply the formula. Students, now apply the formula. Weighted profits is equal to total of weighted profits divided by total of weights. So we want to substitute here the amounts what we get. Okay, so that is 1,54,000 divided by 10. So the amount what you get is 15,400. So 15,400 is your weighted average profit. You got me, students? Next you want to find the goodwill. Students, now see, apply the formula for goodwill. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years purchase. So we got the weighted average profit as rupees 15,400 into number of years purchase is given in the question as 3. Okay, so you get an answer of rupees 46,200. So this is your goodwill. Hope you understood this sum, children.